Have you heard about Shiba Inu or SHIB? What started off as an internet meme, literally a joke, has grown into a full-blown crypto phenomenon that's taken the world by storm. So, what is Shiba Inu? SHIB is a meme token, inspired by the Shiba Inu dog, fun, accessible, super community-driven. But here's the thing, it's no longer just a meme. The SHIB community has rallied together to build an entire decentralized ecosystem, including its very own Layer 2 blockchain called Shibarium. When SHIB first launched, half of its supply, 50%, was sent straight into Vitalik Buterin's Ethereum wallet. The price? It skyrocketed from less than a billionth of a dollar, $0.00000000056, to an all-time high of $0.0000084. That's a 150,000x increase in just 8 months. But the story doesn't stop there. Vitalik donated 10% of his SHIB to India's COVID-19 relief, worth about $1 billion at the time. The rest? He burned it, permanently removing those tokens from circulation. That's one of the biggest charitable donations ever made. So what's the SHIB community been up to? They've rolled out Shiba Swap, a decentralized exchange, and launched 2 new tokens, Leash Bone. Leash is a super scarce token for special rewards. Bone lets holders vote on key decisions through the Doggy DAO. With Shibarium, the dedicated Layer 2 chain, it's clear SHIB is more than hype. It's a movement, run by the people, for the people. Who said memes can't make an impact? If you want to know more about crypto stories like this, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned.